Hi students, meeting after a long time. We'll start with the next and a very small lesson, I could say, polymers. First lecture. The lesson starts with the definition of polymer. What do you mean by polymer? Polymer का मतलब क्या? Polymer from monomer, mono one, mer molecule. One molecule combining with many molecules. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Process है polymerization, converted to polymer, started from monomer. I'll repeat. The process is called as polymerization. From a monomer, it undergoes the addition reactions to form a polymer. For example, a very simple example, ethene forms polythene, vinyl chloride forms polyvinyl chloride. So these are all the examples of polymerization. They are all the polymers. So that is polymer. Okay. Now, the very first thing what you will do, the very first expected question from the lesson is classify the polymers. Okay, अभी weightage lesson का it is for 2 to 3 marks. So ये entire classification नहीं आएगा एग्जाम में. तो आपको एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन कैसे आएगा? For example, they'll ask you to explain what is molecular forces. इसमें the molecular forces में इसमें 4 types है, right? They may ask you either of it, or they may ask you classify the polymers on the basis of molecular forces, or classify the polymers on the basis of the structure. So this is how the question comes. Like what you are supposed to do is, as I know you have already prepared a chart of method of preparation of halogen derivatives, uska reactions, alcohol, phenol, ether, uska reactions, and method of preparations, uske charts sub already you have prepared. I assume I am on the positive side as well. You can make a chart and see what I have done, because there is no space over here na. मैंने सिर्फ उसके नाम लिखा है. See, the entire classification I have written, and then next one by one I'll go for the details of the classification later on. And I have started with the first. कि source का मतलब क्या? So this is source. यहाँ पे there is no space, इसलिए I have done in this way. Okay, but what you will do is, the entire classification का part you will explain entirely over here. Means मैंने ऐसे लिखा है, the source के नीचे you will write like this. ये हो गया source, ये हो गया structure. तो when you prepare a chart, the entire details of the classification should be included there itself. So that is what I expect. I am going to check your book. So I want it in detail with a nice handwriting, of course. Now, so how do I classify the polymers? They are classified on what basis? They are classified depending on its source, depending on the structure, depending on the process, the molecular forces which are present in between them, and the next is the growth polymerization. This is the entire classification of the polymers. After this, now I come to the very first part, that is the source polymer. What do I mean by source polymer? Source polymer का मतलब क्या? The very first thing, they are either obtained from the source, मतलब from where they are obtained. Natural है कि synthetic है कि semi synthetic है, in between the two. Now when I say it is a natural polymer, obviously it is obtained naturally from the plants and animals. They are obtained naturally from the plants and animals. For example, cellulose, linen, silk, jute, wool, All these, they are the polymers. They are naturally obtained. We don't have to prepare them. They are naturally obtained. From where? They are obtained from the plants and animals. That is the natural polymers. ये आ गया source में. A part. Now the next, it's B. Semi-synthetic polymer. What do I mean by semi-synthetic polymer? Try to understand. I have not written the definition over that. I have written the examples. Try to understand what do I mean by a semi-synthetic polymer. Semi-synthetic का मतलब क्या है, you know? The natural polymer जो है ना, it is dissolved in a suitable solvent. I repeat, the natural polymer, it is dissolved in a suitable solvent. एक natural polymer मैंने लिया, for example, cellulose, and I dissolve it in a suitable solvent and it is regenerated. मैंने उसको वापस लिया, regenerated from it. That is called as a semi-synthetic. By this, what happens, you know? The physical properties of the fibers, they are enhanced. What do I mean by उसका density, उसका crimp, उसका denier, so उसका length, उसका elasticity? These are all the qualities which should be present in the fiber. So these physical properties of the fibers, they are enhanced, they are improved by the treatment of it. When I dissolve it and then I regenerate, so the physical properties, they are enhanced, they are improved. That is the meaning of semi-synthetic. Example, acetate rayon, viscous rayon, cupra ammonium rayon, ये सब आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. That is semi-synthetic polymer. Now the next, it is called as a synthetic polymer. Artificial, man-made, nylon, terylene, polythene. These are all the examples of the synthetic polymers, and all these, they are obtained from source. That is the very first way I could classify the polymer source. Ka further classification is this. So that is all we do it for the today. It's first lecture. The next lecture we start with the structure of it. Okay.